Need to create a massive 15-page report, a polished PDF, or a complex spreadsheet in literally seconds? You don't need to spend hours writing and formatting it yourself anymore. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are looking at a super fast tool called AI DocMaker, located at aidocmaker.com. This platform is a powerful, free AI document generator and PDF maker designed to turn your ideas into professional files instantly. Whether you need a PDF, a Word document, an Excel spreadsheet, or even slides, this tool handles it all. One of the best parts? There is no sign-up required to get started, and you get unlimited usage with free downloads. It uses what is called agentic AI, meaning the AI doesn't just write text, it actually manages, refines, and organizes your files autonomously, learning from your chats over time to get better. You can literally type in a prompt and the AI handles the layout, formatting, and content generation. It's even been featured on OpenAI's GPT store, making it highly popular with ChatGPT users who want an easy way to get their AI text into shareable, standard formats. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, it is incredibly convenient. You can generate a wide range of files, including docx, PDFs, and XLSX, completely free without the hassle of creating an account. However, when it comes to user reviews, we have to be completely honest. We currently have limited external review data and independent user feedback for this platform. While the on-site testimonials praise how seamless it is for making documents, spreadsheets, and ad copy, you'll want to test it out yourself to see how it handles your specific formatting needs. Overall, if you need to draft a report, proposal, or contract quickly, AI DocMaker is a highly accessible tool worth bookmarking. Head over to aidocmaker.com to try it out for free today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick AI tutorials, and let us know in the comments how it worked for you.